How to link a bank account to Binance account. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily link your bank account with your Binance. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now let's begin. First thing you need to do is open up your Binance application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, you can just tap on the top left corner on the little Binance icon. Once you get there, you just have to tap on the settings icon at the top right. And from here, if you scroll down under payment, you will have payment methods. Tap on payment methods. And from here, you just have to tap on P2P payment methods. And from here, you just have to tap on add payment method and select the bank. Now, once you do that, you just have to search for the name of your bank and then add your bank account number or your card number. You also have to add IFSC code and then your bank name. Once you do that, you just have to tap on OK and verify all of your details. And after that, you should be sent a verification on your email. And once you verify that, your bank account will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.